there you have it. That is a Google account. On one or two occasions, I've had people texting me to create Google accounts for them. So I've seen it to be an opportunity to create a new tutorial video on how to create your own Google account on your Android phone. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and bell button so that you get notified when we release a new video. Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is open our settings app. Then from there we'll look for users and accounts. Opening users and accounts, want to go for add account and click on Google. Clicking on Google, it will load. Then you have to input your password or your pattern if your phone is logged with either the password or pattern. So put in that, then it will reload again. But without any password, that part will be skipped. Yeah, so hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so. It will help the channel grow. The next thing we want to do is click on create account. We are creating a new account, so for myself, personal account, not for my business. So the first name, I want to give it tutorial jig. The last name is optional. That means you have all right either to input your last name or skip. So I'll be skipping for now. And then next, then you have to put in your basic information like your birthday and your gender. So for the month, I'll go for January. The day, I'll go for 7th, and the year, I'll go for 2004. Gender, I'll click on rather not say. I don't want to disclose my gender with Google. Then next, then you have to choose your Gmail address. You have to choose a Gmail address given to you by Google or create your own Gmail address. But with this tutorial, I'll be going with the one Google gave to me. So I'll go for tutorialgeek801 at gmail.com. You have to keep this in mind because you'll be using it when creating accounts on websites that require your Google information. Then next, after inputting your Gmail address, the next step is to enter a strong password. And a strong password should be mixed with letters, numbers, and symbols. So let me create my password. So I've created a strong password with both letters, numbers, and symbols. And we'll continue from there. The next thing we'll have to do is adding our phone number to account. But I want to skip this step because I don't want to receive any account security alerts from Google. And this after this video, I'll be doing another tutorial on how to delete your Google account. So I don't need any phone number to reset password. So but you have to keep this in mind. These are the things you have to keep in mind at this point. So yeah, so let's continue. So we just click on skip, and after going to skip, you have to review your account info. So for the account info, you can see the name we gave to this account is tutorial jig, and the Gmail address is tutorialjig801 at gmail.com. So for this, what is important is only the Gmail address. The name is not all that important. You can change it at any time. Yeah, so keep your your Gmail address in mind. So next, after reviewing it, then we want to read through the privacy policy and terms of Google relating to our Google account. So we want to leave everything as default for now. Then click on I agree to create our Gmail or Google account. So congratulations, you've created your own Google account, and we can see it over here, tutorialjig801 at gmail.com. So in our next video, we'll be looking at creating a YouTube channel with this email address or with this Google account. Then from there we'll continue. See you in our next video. Bye bye.